In the era of information explosion, how should teenagers discern and filter out valid information? How to establish a proper media perspective? How to avoid being swept away by inappropriate information floods? We present you a unique information and media literacy training course. Designed to maximize your hands-on experience. Guided by well-established media professionals from Hong Kong, gain insights from their wealth of experiences. We delve into the impact of AI and how to effectively cope with it. Through hands-on activities and discussions, we teach students how to identify facts and truths within the realm of data analysis. Get a first-hand experience of life as a reporter and a TV anchor. Witness the hustle and bustle, the action, the thrill of real-time media. Through project presentations, students demonstrate their newfound media literacy skills and knowledge. We award the participant with an honorary certificate, acknowledging their successful completion of the course. For more information, please contact us.